about other controversies that are erupting in Delhi just ahead of the elections. Well, Arvind Kejriwal, the AAP convener, has promised a salary of Rs 18,000 per month for priests if voted to power again, hitting the BJP's Hindutva card with its own paperback version. BJP has responded questioning the party's timing. Take a look at the report.
Hindutva factor enters the battle for Delhi even before polls are announced. Arvind Kejriwal promised an honorarium of Rs 18,000 per month for priests if voted to power again, hitting the BJP's Hindutva card with its own paperback version. The symbolism behind the choice of location, Rajiv Chowk's Hanuman Temple, for the launch of the scheme isn't lost on anyone. The temple has played quite a significant part in his political journey. Meanwhile, the BJP was quick to hit out at Kejriwal, calling this announcement a mere election stunt.
इस योजना के तहत मंदिरों में भगवान की पूजा करने वाले लोगों को पूजा करवाने वाले पुजारियों को और गुरुद्वारे में ग्रंथियों को हर महीने सम्मान राशि देने का प्रावधान है। ये देश में पहली बार हो रहा है। आज तक कभी किसी पार्टी, किसी सरकार ने ऐसा नहीं किया। इस योजना का कल से रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू होगा। कल इस योजना का रजिस्ट्रेशन एक तरह से शुभारंभ करने के लिए मैं कनॉट प्लेस के हनुमान मंदिर जाऊंगा।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार कई वर्षों से अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर का और इनके कार्यालय का घेराव कर रही थी मंदिर के पुजारियों और ग्रंथियों के साथ कि आप खाली मौलवी और इमामों को वेतन दे रहे हैं, मंदिर के पुजारी और ग्रंथी को क्यों नहीं दे रहे। पर अरविंद केजरीवाल को उस समय कानों पे जू नहीं रहेंगी क्योंकि चुनाव सर पे नहीं थे। हम लोग कोर्ट में गए, 2022 में हमने एक पटिशन डाली, 2024 में भी डाली और अब 21 जनवरी को कोर्ट की तारीख है जहां अरविंद केजरीवाल को कोर्ट को बताना है कि इमामों और मौलवियों को मैंने 2013 से अब तक 58 करोड़ 30 लाख 90 हज़ार रुपये दिए हैं, उसमें मंदिर के पुजारी और ग्रंथी को क्यों नहीं दिए, उसका जवाब दो।
BJP is also questioning the timing of the announcement, raising the appeasement politics charge.
जब 10 साल आप नहीं दिए, 10 साल केवल मौलवी को देते रहे, पुजारी सड़कों पे चिल्लाते रहे, तो अब ऐसी स्थिति में आपके ऊपर जो गुस्सा है उस समाज का, अगर देना है तो पूरे 10 साल का जोड़ करके दो अभी।
Amid all the criticism from the opposition, Arvind Kejriwal has already started meeting the delegation of priests in Delhi.
It's a tall promise indeed, with Arvind Kejriwal now playing on the Hindutva pitch. But the big question is that will it actually turn out to be a game changer for the Aam Aadmi Party with the religious leaders, or will it backfire as the BJP claims? Now with camera person Kanan Patra, this is Ishika Verma for NDTV.
Ishika, a big scheme announced by the Aam Aadmi Party on the day when imams were protesting outside Delhi Chief Minister's residence. The BJP is calling out outright an appeasement politics and tactic by the Aam Aadmi Party, appeasement just for votes in the Delhi elections.
Well, that's right. In fact, we are seeing that this is the third big poll promise that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal right ahead of the election. And this time, he in fact has included the Hindutva factor, announcing an honorarium of 18,000 for the priests who work in the temples and the gurudwaras. And in fact, let me tell you that the registrations for this would be starting from today itself. Today, Arvind Kejriwal himself will be going to the CP's famous Hanuman Temple to start the registrations. Remember, Hanuman Temple has played a very significant part if we talk about his own political journey. So that is the place from which he will be starting this particular Yoshna or poll promise that the Aam Aadmi Party has made. And as you rightly mentioned, this comes when in fact the imams who have been getting this, salary from for the last few years. They in fact have said that they are not getting this, and there is a delay in the salary, and that is why we are seeing that they are continuously holding protest at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Now there is certainly assurances that are being given by the government, saying, the Delhi government saying that it is the Waqf board that will be paying, the Delhi government has funds, but still that is not settling right with the imams, and they continue to protest. So this is something also a challenge rather for Arvind Kejriwal, because the opposition, that is the BJP, continues to rake up this issue, saying that if the imams who have already been promised this, Kejriwal is not being able to deliver that, then how will he be able to deliver this? So certainly this is something that the BJP continues to attack Arvind Kejriwal on. Over to you.
Certainly, Ishika, and the Aam Aadmi Party is defending and daring the BJP to also announce these schemes in the BJP-ruled states.